Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. It's cold here and we have snow and ice on the ground, so I have been just using what I already have in my stash to make some Easter crafts. So for this one, it can be used either as a centerpiece or as a wreath. I use this green foam wreath to attach my Easter eggs to. So first I wrapped it in some burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree. Now I used 5 bags of eggs. There's 12 Easter eggs in each bag, but I only used certain colors, so I did have some left over. So first you're going to want to carefully hot glue your burlap ribbon onto your styrofoam wreath and wrap it nice and tight. That way it's just easier to hot glue the eggs on. And you will also have some spots where you can see the ribbon through the eggs, so you might want to have like some Dollar Tree Easter base filler or maybe some smaller eggs to fill in. So it's just real simple. I am just hot gluing these plastic Easter eggs onto this little wreath. I did like 4 across and I did like 3 or 4 rows of each color. I kind of wanted to go for the ombre look. You can choose whatever color plastic Easter eggs that you would like and whatever size. So I just made sure and tried to get mine nice and full and the eggs as close together as possible. You'll have to hold it for just a little while to let the hot glue dry just a little. I think this would be a perfect centerpiece on a child's table for Easter lunch or dinner because it's not breakable and it's fun to look at. I also set mine up on a cake stand that I picked up from TJ Maxx or Marshall's, so I think that kind of elevated it and made it look really pretty and a little bit more expensive, even though it's a very inexpensive DIY. In the past, I have made these Easter egg wreaths and used it as an actual wreath, but I really think it looks adorable as a centerpiece. And so you will have some spaces where you can see your ribbon, but that's okay with me. It doesn't bother me. And this bunny I just stuck in the center to see what it would look like, and it is from Walmart. I think it was around $3 or $4, but I ended up going with the Dollar Tree bunny. I did add a bow and I tried it as a wreath, so you'll have to let me know which one you like better, centerpiece or wreath. And then here it is with the cute new Dollar Tree Easter bunny in it, and I just kind of dressed it up with some Dollar Tree carrots and some foam eggs. I did go back and I hot glued a little bow around the Easter bunny's neck, and that's it guys. Let me know what you think and I hope everyone's staying warm. And it would really help my channel out if you would leave me a comment below. It just helps my channel to get noticed by YouTube. Thank you guys.